Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lucid app charge planning with waypoint routes step by step clearly. Launch the Lucid app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the charge planning feature in the menu. Select the option for charge planning to open the feature. Enter your current location in the provided field. Input your destination in the designated area. Look for the option to add waypoints or add stops along your route. Tap on the Add Waypoint button. Search for the desired waypoint location within the app. Select the waypoint from the search results. Repeat the process to add additional waypoints if needed. Once all waypoints are set, review your route. Check the estimated charge needed for the trip. Make any adjustments to the waypoints or route as necessary. Confirm the finalized route by tapping the Plan Route button. Review the charging stations along your route for convenience. Save the route by clicking on the Save Route option. You are now ready to start your journey with the plan charge stops. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.